Today I have two different tablescapes to share with you for the fall season. The first is a very warm, more casual setting in the traditional fall colors. The other is a very cool, more elegant setting in my neutral glam color palette. So if you're ready for some decorating inspiration, keep watching. While breakfast is cooking, let's set the table. I'll show you the pieces one layer at a time, then I'll zoom the camera in so that you can have a closer look. Am I making you hungry yet? These smell so good. So you can take an ordinary everyday breakfast and make it special. Before I move on to the next tablescape, I'd like to announce the winner of the giveaway from the 1-hour Clean and Paint with Me video. And the winner is Renee Jordan. She will receive a gift bucket of Mrs. Meyer's cleaning supplies in the seasonal fall scents. Congratulations, Renee. Thank you for fall cleaning with me and being a loyal subscriber. Now let's build our neutral glam fall tablescape. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I didn't make you too hungry. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Also, leave a comment to say which tablescape you liked better. You can even tell me what color scheme you would like to see for the next time. Bon appetit! Come back and see me again. I post new videos every week on decorating, event planning, and lifestyle. I'm Steph Storm, and you'll see me next time.